Hello guys, my name is Darshan Gaigwad. Uh, I am the student of Edisar Easy English speaking classes from Tillara. Now this time I am speaking in front of you. My topic is why should we target in a why should we target important in our life? Always time. Friends, target is a important topic according to me, and in order to me, target in every person life, target is important according to me, because every work I can say that every work is not complete with the help of target. So target is an important topic according to me in our life, because you have a target, everything we can do possible in a less time. Yeah, target always time can do motivate to you, and you have guidance, having you guidance, that time only who person you are doing guidance, that time you should be target, because with the help of target we can complete our work easily and as well as. Target is a important topic in our life, because in a student life target is always time important, because we have to do lots of study in a less time. That time with the help of target we can do complete your study with the help of target, because target is the great opportunity always time in our life, because target with the help of target every work we can do possible in any condition, and in any situation, in any field. Lots of field are available here, and in that field every work is a depend on the target, because only person he is living life just for his family. In that in his life target is important, because target means our daily work. We are doing this work daily, but that work we can do complete easily and as well as, but that work we can do complete with the help of target, because target is a pressure according to me. You have a pressure, we can do everything, with the help of target, because target is the grateful and gloriousness thing in our life forever. After all we can to complete our target, because in order to fit our target, on our target our salary can be depend according to me. So target is important, target is an important topic in our life, and always time should be target to every person life, because with the help of target we can do every work, possible with the help of target. So this is the power of target according to me. We can get a lots of person in our life, so that time we have a target, so we can meet to that person with easily and advantage, because and definitely we can do complete our target. So target is the grateful thing, and always time target can do motivate to you. So this is the benefits of target. If you are in your life target is not present, so your life is a totally dull, and we can put at that time worthless person according to me. If in your life target is a you are following your target day by day, your work can do complete with easily and advantage, and we can get a opportunity for doing this work, and with the help of smart work we can do that work easily and advantage. This is the benefits of target in our life. Target should be important always time, and forever we are following our target, we can to complete our any work, study, our work, our target also. So this is the power of target according to me, and in every condition target always time motivate to you. So this is the part of our life. In our life lots of problems are coming day by day, but for For crossing that target problem, we can do complete, and we can be set free from that condition with the help of target. This is the power of target. And heart and soul, we every one person should do accept our target, because after accepting our target, we can achieve always time, whatever whenever think. So this is the power of target. You like my speech, please subscribe this channel, and like this video. So that's all.